Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and Miss Cali Cat is down here demanding all of my attention and getting fur all over me. You know how they do. So I got this box in the mail and I was like, what is that? I mean, like, what is that? Because what is that? So yeah, I had to open it to see what it was because I had no clue. And I was like, well, I can't just not know what's in here. I have to figure out what's going on. Well, it turns out it was part of my FabFitFun box where, you know, you got to pick stuff and add stuff on and things. Well, this is one of the things that was supposed to be in my box. I got like 4 different boxes. It didn't all come in once. I was so confused. You know, it takes like nothing to confuse me. So, I'm going to show you what's in this box. It's a bird feeder. You know, I love feeding the birds. And so, when I saw that they had a bird feeder on FabFitFun, I had to get it. I will grab my laptop and tell you all about all the information in a minute. But right now, we're going to look at it. Alright. The little lid, there we go. So it kind of gets tighter as it goes up. This may be a little bent. Let's see if I can get this stuff out. You have to screw this bottom part on and unscrew it to clean it. See, my squirrels are so bad at tearing these things up. I kind of go through them like crazy. Either the squirrels tear them up or the raccoons run off with them. Alright, I think I finally figured this out. I was putting them on the inside. They're supposed to go on the outside. And then you put the screw on either side and screw it in. Alright, so now I have the bird feeder together. I can take it outside and put bird seed in it. I hope it doesn't smell too much like cat for the birds to not come around it, because yes, Callie got fur all over it. So yeah, screws went in there and hopefully the squirrels will not destroy it. Let's see what FabFitFun says about it. I'd say it's the best quality one I've ever had. Let me see how much I paid for it. So this bird feeder, they say, is worth $29.99. I paid $14 for it. I don't even know if it was in the store if I'd have paid $14 for it. I mean, yeah, they probably would have charged $14 for it, but I don't know that I would have paid that much for it. I've seen a lot cuter for a better price. We'll see how it holds up outside. Y'all, comment below. Tell me what you think. What would you have paid for it? Did anybody else get it, or was it just me? Let me see. I think I've received everything now. I think. Because that's what I thought the last time. I think I've gotten everything from FabFitFun. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.